Hey guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. I got some new paint today that I want to try out with you. So if you're up to trying some new chalk paint with me, then let's go and get started. Okay, today I'm trying Dixie Belle Paint. And I follow someone on YouTube who uses this all the time. So I thought, you know what, I want to try it out. So I went to Etsy and found some on Etsy. It was a sample pack that's, I think it's 4 ounces, 4-ounce paint sample. So here it is. And I got this from someone's Etsy store. And the color is Sawmill Gravy. Basically, I wanted to try something that wasn't my typical white chalk paint that I use all the time. You guys know that I use white chalk paint like on everything. So I wanted to try something that was a little different than my usual white chalk paint. And this Dixie Belle was $6.90 to $6.50. I guess I paid $6.50 and some shipping. And I got it from Etsy. I'll leave the information to the Etsy store that I got it. I'll leave that somewhere in the description box, so you'll have that if you want to go over and try this paint after I'm done. But I was excited because this is the first new paint that I've tried in a while. You guys know I've tried all kinds of chalk paint before, but this one I haven't tried, and someone on YouTube that I follow uses it and loves it, so I'm gonna give it a shot. So let me get set up and I'll come back on. Did I even ask how everyone's doing? How is everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing well and staying safe out there. If you're new to my channel, I do painting all the time. I paint with a lot of chalk paint, and I like to upcycle thrift goods. And I just love thrifting. So if you like that kind of content, by all means, subscribe to the channel and become a member of the family. I think you'll find some things here that you really like as far as the thrifting goes, and upcycling thrifted goods and painting and all of that. So without further ado, let's get started with this Dixie Belle paint. All right, guys, I'm going to be painting right out of the container. And this is Dixie Belle Sawmill Gravy. And this is a 4-ounce sample size. Woohoo! I like this. I don't know if you can see this, but it's, I hope this is coming across. It's like I don't know what color this is. It's not, it looks, to me, it looks like it's an antique white kind of color. But I'm just going to paint on this wood. Ooh, it's got like a green or olive undertones. And I'm going to come up as close as I can. It's got like, ooh, I love this color. Oh yeah, this is Sawmill Gravy. I like this. It's got like, yeah, it's got like some kind of, looks like it's got like an olive undertone to it. I wouldn't say gray undertone, maybe gray undertone. No, maybe olive. It looks like it's got a little green going on under there. I don't know, but I love this. Ooh. One coat. I like it. I'm going to try it on something dark. This was I was going to take this to Goodwill and give this away because the top was broken off of it. I was going to give it to Goodwill, but let me just see what it looks like on this. This is something dark, so let's just see what it looks like. Oh yeah. Oh yes, look at that. Oh yeah. Wow. That's nice. It kind of reminds me of maybe putty, a color along the lines of putty. Oh yeah, that's going to be nice. That's really going to be nice. Look at that, guys. Again, it's Dixie Belle Paint. And I'm going to leave the information in the description box as to where you can buy this. I've never seen it in stores, so I guess you can only get it through dealers. But look at that. I like that. Oh, yeah. That's nice. That's nice. Look at the coverage on that. Look at the coverage on that. Really nice. I like the consistency of this too. Oh yeah. I like that. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like on something dark, so you could see. But how do you like that? Look at the consistency on that. So it's coming off as maybe a putty color. It definitely has like olive undertones to it, or gray undertones. But I wanted to share this with you. Again, it's Dixie Belle Paint Company. And I got it from an Etsy store. I'll share this information in the description box. But I wanted to come on quickly and show you guys this new paint that I think I'm loving. I definitely think I'm loving this. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, I think I'm gonna like this. I'm definitely gonna like this color. So I think this may be my new one of my new colors that I'm going to be using. So real quickly, I wanted to just bring that to you and let you see what the paint's looking like. I'm going to finish up. I still may donate this to Goodwill though, because as I said, the top is broken. But I'm going to finish this up. And yeah, how about that? Dixie Belle Paint. Tell me if you've used this before, if you've ever used Dixie Belle before, and what your experience has been with this paint. Do you like it? Is it yay or nay? What do you compare it to? What other chalk paint would you compare this brand to? Again, I only paid $6.50 for a sample, a 4-ounce sample. And the coverage is really, really, really good. So tell me if you've used Dixie Belle before, if you like it, it's a yay or nay. Some of your projects that you've used it on. How's it holding up for you? Two or three coats or what? This is just one. This is one coat so far. And the coverage is absolutely great. So I'm liking it. Okay, to me, this is a yay. This is a yay for me, Dixie Belle. So to me, Dixie Belle is a yay. Again, if you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out this Dixie Belle paint with me. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And for my returning friends, thanks so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.